Just touching on creating a solid business plan a little more, you need to list essential resources and potential collaborators for your side hustle. You also need to identify and plan for expenses. Setting clear goals and objectives. Define clear objectives for your side hustle. How will you measure success and progress? You need to decide this. Are your goals reasonable? Achievable? Goals should align with the purpose and direction of your side hustle. Set a time limit to achieve each goal. Then cross that goal off your list. Developing a strategic roadmap for your business. You need to assess market trends, your competition, and customer needs. Prioritize tasks. Which activities are crucial for launching and scaling your side hustle? Create a timeline with specific milestones to track your progress. Identify risks and anticipate challenges that could impasse your side hustle. Decide how you will meet the challenge of these risks. Understanding legal and financial considerations. Choose a legal structure that suits your side hustle. Will it be a sole proprietorship, LLC, a corporation, or what? Make sure you understand how to stay legal, taxes and licenses. Protect your intellectual property if you need to. Trademarks, copyrights, patents. Draft contracts for partnerships, services, or collaborators. Budgeting and financial planning. Estimate income and expenses for both the short term and the long term. Plan for incoming and outgoing cash flow. You want to ensure financial stability. Taxes. Understand your tax obligations. Maintain accurate financial records to keep within the tax laws.